Do you know what the numbers are? Do you even care? 13 million people have lost their lives, and countless more have been damaged for life because YouTube and other social media platforms wouldn't allow people to discuss the topic, to show research, to say anything except for everybody should roll their sleeves up and jump in line. That's not a mistake, ladies and gentlemen. That's freaking evil. And I, for one, am having serious misgivings about having anything to do with any platform, whether it be here or anyplace else, that was a willing participant in what amounts to crimes against humanity. I mean, it's one thing to participate in violating somebody's right to free speech or any of the other violations of our Constitution that Google and YouTube have put into practices and policies throughout this so called emergency. It is quite another to take the lead in a marketing campaign that killed 13 million people and has damaged, possibly for who knows how many generations, even more. This isn't an oopsie. This isn't a, oh, we'll do better next time. And anybody who participated in it on any level, be it at Google, YouTube, or Facebook, or the people who still are employed at Twitter or ran it during that time, should all be prosecuted for war crimes. From the highest level employees to the lowest level employees. Because the way it's shaking out, they weren't looking to keep anybody healthy. Quite the contrary. And unless I'm misinterpreting all of this, and I'm not, they'll do it again. Without reservation and without question. Why? Because they have absolutely no idea how to lead. They only know how to follow. Elon Musk said this the other day, and he's absolutely right. And he's only repeating something I've said repeatedly on this channel. If you're going to operate a business within the confines of the United States of America, you must, and I repeat, you must follow the Constitution, or you will not be allowed to operate within the confines of the United States. Free speech is the only way, or you have things like this happen.